Paul Kirby, founder, director at Building Hope Communities. We've done a lot of work, like our church has done work with Wellspring Living down in Atlanta, help the women out of sex trafficking. And when I was talking to their founder, Mary Frances, about it, she's like, the real need is for houses for these women when they get out. Somewhere safe and affordable for them to get back on their feet. You know, for the women that are going to be living here, it's, you know, really important that, you know, they feel like they're not part of like some kind of project housing. We really want this to be a community that they feel proud to come home to.
You know, people aren't coming here and looking for these homes. These women are being given a chance to live here.
Yeah, Rheem's been great with helping us out, getting the ball rolling with the donations, and really just kind of going above and beyond expectations with, you know, the tankless water heaters, the mini split units. Very critical, you know, for getting this whole project going.
Like, this is literally having to be energy efficient, cost efficient, size efficient, every single way that it matters. A tankless water heater is the perfect application for this community here. Like, it really is serving this very precisely.
So this is perfect for them because it's going to keep their utility costs down, the upkeep costs down for this place. It fits in perfect with these tiny houses. And the other cool thing too is by doing the mini splits and the electric tank water heater, we'll be able to do an all electric house. So now, like on a super tight income, they don't have to pay that gas bill, so it really helps out.
The people that are here, they're all volunteers except for, you know, just, you know, a main work crew that's very specialized in what they do. Everybody else is volunteering. And really and truly, once you know the cause of why this community is getting built, that you just get hooked.
This whole community is debt-free. Without donations from people like Rheem, the tankless water heater, and the mini splits, it wouldn't happen, you know.
There's probably no better investment that a company could have in just, you know, saying, hey, we're going to make money, but we're also going to give back to the community, and this is an excellent source to give back.
Right, and I think all of us as human beings were created to help one another, love one another, and that's where you'll find satisfaction.
You know, this is real. Makes you feel good, I guess.